Every 2 weeks, we rotate one of our tigers and lions into this 2.5-acre vacation rotation enclosure. This provides a new space for our big cats to explore. It's Priya's turn to go, and she's been having a great time teasing our native wildlife. You've got to see this. We love to see Priya in tune with her wild instincts. If you think that was fun, you can watch our big cats live every day by visiting explore.org/bigcatrescue. Would you like to know a way to donate to our cats with no cost to you? Visit bigcatrescue.org/Amazon-smile and find out how.